Okay, what's up, guys? It's Marsh from KDM. Okay, what's up, guys? It's Marsh from KDM Marsh, and today we're gonna be scrolling around with some admin. So, first of all, let's get this party started by flinging ourselves. Type fling. I am not gonna make it, so I will fly. It's gonna be quite a ways back, so I'm gonna cut back once we're back and done. Okay, as you guys can tell, this is the KDM Marsh Mansion, which is accidentally famous for like 27's Nerf SPF. Because if I go to my studio, which I'm not going to do right now, it's under that, but because I didn't have a file to put it under, so I had to put it under that. So it's named famous Ugly Nerf SPF, but it's not. So just warning you guys for you subscribers. Okay, so we're gonna go on fly. I'm gonna try calling Katie because her school gets out about now. I had a half day today, but I didn't bother recording because, for one, this little fellow at the bookstore, this cute little guy. So I am on Snapchat right now. I am about to call Katie. If you want to know my username, I am about to see check again. It is Legend2275 for Elite something. So we'll check those out. I'm trying to spend the night at Katie's this week. Not this week, and because this weekend is not my birthday weekend. That is next week, and I get to bring up my laptop, and I will do some DJing for you guys. So calling Katie, see if I can get her, if I can nuke her. Well, don't nuke myself right now. But nuke. Nuke. Semicolon nuke. Can't do that. Nuke. See? Looks like a big 8 or a butt. We're gonna nuke on the house. So, colon. Cool. We will. Let's see if it destroys the house. If it destroys the KDM Marsh Mansion. It's the KDM Marsh Mansion, nuclear proof, dude. Lie. If that coming. Boom. Yes, I have a Team Slav shirt. Who gives? Yeah, hardy har har. I don't care. I like the YouTube post. Why would? Oh, I thought I was reading The Lord of the Rings. Okay, well, hang on. Let's no clip ourselves. No. Oh, now we can go under the house. So if I clip myself, we wouldn't be able to do that. I know what we should try to do. Make this place just a floating mansion. I'm kidding. Okay, we're gonna bar ourselves. Okay, it's gonna be weird, so yeah, if it goes wrong, I'm gonna have to reset. Darn it, it went wrong. Now we're nude. See my butt. Okay, I gotta reclip. Because now you guys see how we can go through walls. Now if I fly, we can't. Okay, so let's try another server. Sorry. Okay, close this download box. But we will do this, and we will get on a new server, and we will not nuke. We cannot kidnap, sadly, because I am using Cool's admins. So it does not allow us to. It does not allow us to kidnap. So we'll pull up the CMDs. Okay, now look at. We're gonna screw around with these Tron bikes. Oh, would this work? Oh. Bro, this would be awesome if this works. Is bodyguard technically? Oh, I'm not allowed to use that. Alright, watch this. Wait, we got these Tron bikes up here. Boom! We're gonna try going up our stairs, our beautiful stairs. Okay, look it. Okay. Lane. Boom. Oh my god! Oh darn. That will work though. We can fly up. If we go like right here, we'll be able to fly up. If I can drive it, I might be able to. Woo! Okay, cool. We on the roof now. Thanks to admin. Okay, let's see if we can bring this bike aside. Okay, my dad is upstairs working on his niece, Land Rover, which I will be doing some videos with Katie and the Land Rover too, because we go trailing and camping a lot, so yeah. Okay, hang on. Is this seriously how we have to drive for the rest of the episode? Okay, let's go down those stairs and get out of the house. The house is a little off course. My bad. I will be fixing that. But for now, we're gonna have to do this. Ding, 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 ding. Hey guys! Woo! I don't know how I do this, dude. Okay, now the line's floating. Woo! Let's jump off for you guys. Yeah. Who's surprised? Ooh, I believe I can. Let's fly over there with the young fly. Let's use our young fly. Sadly, I cannot figure out how to. Let's rocket ourselves. Savage. On fly. And on fly. On. Okay. Well, we'll use this Tron bike for now. And we gotta drop something. Woo! Girl, just what I don't know. Woo! Woo! Do 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 do. Woo! Oh my god! I believe I do. Okay, let's look at these admin. Admin commands. She's a young clone. No. No. Let's see if Creeper works. Creeper. Nope. Just makes you naked. You the young man. What's God for? What's God me? Let's God me. God. I am the good. We have a phone too, so you can look at my phone could be orange and it could be blue. Okay, look at in my call log. Okay, let's call myself. What's up, dude? Okay, let's. Oh, whoops. Year famous 55. Is that doing? Oh, hang on. Year famous 55. 600. I don't know any ID, so we're not gonna put on me. Let's qualify ourselves. Qualify. 7. Dude, we naked again! No, it's good. We're gonna have to deal with it. Ugh. Let's just fly. Let's just fly around. I believe I can. I will be making also a stunt course that we can play once I get Builders Club. I'll fly. I'll fly. Look at it's a nude guy on a bike. Wow, we're gonna jump this. Okay, I'll have to give away a Robux. If I do not get real like 3/4 of the way to the place. I will have to give away a Robux. Oh, I made it! Okay, you guys are pretty sad, but now I will give away 10 Robux if I do not make it to that. If I cannot clear the Lambo. Give myself some speed for this. So I might be able to clear it. You never know. I'm a stuntman on my word! Okay. I will have to give away 10 Robux. Ow. And peekaboo! Pee! Okay, if I cannot circle this, I give away a Robux. Don't worry, I have 12 Robux, so I can do the one more. Okay, we have to at least be in a circle that goes around the. Woo! We got a video proof right here. Okay, I don't really know what I'm at, but if we can fling our. Okay. If I fling myself, I have to make it past that hill. I will give away one Robux if I do that. If I don't, you're like, yeah, I did it. So, is a no earn. Ooh, if I use that young fling command, I have to make it up to the hill. And by the way, after this, the video is going to be over, so make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Bye! Woo! Ah! Okay, let's end it with that young nuke. Boom!